This is a certified pre-owned 2012 Audi A6. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include keyless ignition, heated seats, a DVD player, a 5-link front suspension, a supercharger, a locking center differential, traction control and stability control systems, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: cruise control, steering wheel mounted stereo controls, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, leather seats, front and rear floor mats, side curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a HomeLink feature, and this vehicle has less than 19,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 28 miles per gallon on the highway, its fuel efficiency will save you time and money. With this Audi, each and every detail was considered both when built and when it was given a certified stamp of approval. There is no better illustration of the attention to detail than the 300-plus point inspection process, 24-hour roadside assistance, a factory-backed limited warranty for up to 6 years or 100,000 miles, and the balance of no-charge scheduled maintenance. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.